Brad Angel here, back again with another video. Today I'm going to show you all how to do an 808 slide in FL Studio.
Hit the gym, feeling nice. I'm a ghost, out of sight. Swerve, game, kinda nice. New drip, Jesus, ice.
Before we dive into it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Comment below and let me know if you have any questions. Make sure you hit that notification bell because I'm going to be dropping videos a lot frequently. Let's dive into it. Alright, so here I have a basic melody. I got my kicks. Got a snare. Got some hats. Okay, now for the 808s. I'm going to go in here. I have a very basic melody in mind. Real quick, if you're in FL Studio, you want to make sure you always click cut itself, or else it'll bleed into each other. So here we go. Alright. Let's go. Try this. Okay, now for the slide. This is where it gets tricky. A lot of people don't know this, so pay close attention. Okay, so I go from low E to high E. You go then back down. Okay, so this is what I do for a slide. I change my snap to none because watch, this is what happens. Right now my snap is on step. So if I go try to do this, if I try to pull it back, it's gonna do it like that. Okay, I gotta change it to none so that I can move it back as I want, like free will. So what I normally do, I normally go back about that far. I hope you can see. I move this note right before I slide up. Double click, click slide. And then I drag this, I copy that, and I do it on all of my slides. That's a normal note, so I don't do it on that one. But if I slide low, right here, I slide low, I'm gonna want to put it there too. Let's make sure that's on beat, and we're good. So it's gonna slide, and it makes a smooth transition, and that's gonna help your vocals sit better in the mix with the 808s. So now watch. I don't know if you can hear it, but it makes a big difference without. Oh crap. Without. Sounds okay without, but it's a little harsh. That, my friend, is how you create an 808 slide in FL Studio. I hope y'all really took a lot of value from this. I just want to help everybody be the best they can be. I personally believe there's a musician in everybody. You know, we just don't know it. I didn't realize this until I actually started taking vocal lessons, and it raised my vibration and frequency in life. If you don't know what that means, then I'm just speaking in tongues. But if you are a musician, then you should know what I'm talking about. So that's it for the video. Hope everybody enjoyed this content. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It's really just gonna help the YouTube algorithm and just help me to, pop up more and help more people. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in. Brad Angel out.
Peace, love, happiness.